All was peaceful and all was quiet. Howleen was talking to her two best school friends at a party.
So, yeah, do you like this party?
It could be better. It's a bit boring. Means nothing happening. We're just talking. Hi, Spectra.
Hi, I'm so excited because as you know, there's going to be a huge chocolate box with huge chocolate.
Yeah, I'm gonna raffle off. I already told them, Spectra. And why don't you go back to your sad little corner and
I want someone to put something on the ghosty gossip.
Okay, bye, Spectra. We're not bothered. What are we talking about?
Right. So where were we? Oh, yeah. Do you like my shoes?
Howleen, you're not wearing any. You're wearing socks.
Well, I didn't know that. I do have a bladder infection. I did. Well, I did.
Yeah, I really want to know that, didn't I? I mean, yeah.
Oh my God, he's my mother.
She makes the earth tremble, I'm guessing.
I'm gonna put these in ghostly gossip because there's an earthquake.
Howleen,
Yeah.
This afternoon, before you left for this party, you did the unexplainable. Dun, dun, dun! You didn't put on your booby cream. A booby cream. Howleen has booby cream. What the heck? You must like a sad old weirdo.
Oh, mother! You keep embarrassing me. And anyways, I don't have a rash on my boobies anymore!
Oh, yes, I do. I have photographical evidence, but I'm not going to show you.
That is not true, people at home. Don't believe her!
Believe me, otherwise I will hypnotize you and bite your head off. And you don't. If you want to live, well, you got the picture.
Well, if you want to live, then believe me. Okay?
No.
If you don't believe me, then you'll be dead.
Right. Now, put it on, otherwise you shall die.
Well, actually, Mummy, I did not have a rash on my boobies!
That's it. You asked for it. What's going on? What's going on? What's he doing? What's he doing?
I've fallen on the floor for some reason.
What's going on? Oh my gosh, somebody's found it. 4 years ago, from this very day, I went to the zoo with Howleen. We went to see the gorillas, then the monkeys, and then the baboons. Spectra?
Yeah.
Put this on the ghostly gossip. Yeah.
I'll totally do that. Woo! I'm so excited. To put something on the ghostly
Here's a
gossip.
good story. So anyways, Papa was like, oh yeah, we'd seen the monkeys and the gorillas. So we decided to go and see and we'd seen the macaques. So we decided to go and see the baboons.
Whoa.
I went to the baboons bit with Howleen.
Wow.
And then she pooped her pants!
Whoa.
And then wet herself!
Whoa.
And then screamed and ran away like a scaredy little pussycat.
I haven't had any gossip since 2 weeks. I can't believe it.
So there you have it. Howleen Wolf has a booby rash.
No, I don't!
Yes, you do, darling. I'm your mother. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. What you need to be embarrassed
Mother,
about.
I do not have a rash on my boobies!
Look, darling, you don't need to be embarrassed by that. What you need to be embarrassed about is the fact that I've put it on Facebook. I'm so evil. Mama's gonna dance. Woo! Mama's dancing. Woo! Mama's dancing.
I just going on the ghostly gossip. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, my life is ruined. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna cry and die in a corner.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Ghostly gossip. Ghostly gossip.